Action. Action.
What was it? First video to be about my first video. No, I wanted to keep it meta. First video to be about the first. Okay. Well, hello everybody. This is Kaylee speaking. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to keep it meta, so the first video is going to be about how to make the first video. Alexa, call 911 now. I know it's not on, but... The first thing I did was simply to Google how to make a video. Then I started collecting everything I had that I may need. For instance, my phone, a camera, my laptop and my mouse, a tripod, a mic, but not that mic, this mic. Now that I have collected all of these materials, now what? So for this video, I simply sat down with a friend and thought what it would be about.
I don't have an idea. Underlined. I have no idea what I'm doing.
I don't have an idea. At the end, we thought it would be interesting to make a video on how we made this video. To start recording, we needed a setup. So I tried to set it up, which was a bit annoying, a bit time-consuming, but it was worth it at the end. I also realized that I needed silence, so I closed all of the doors and got myself a very quiet space. I also needed lots of light. For instance, if you don't have a light box like I do, just the light from outside, from a window will be great for you. Just let it go through the window onto your beautiful face. Then of course I took some time to get a little bit more presentable for you. Gather all of the extras that you will be needing for your video. I simply grabbed all of those things that I had laying around the house and prepared myself a bit better for future videos. You'll also need to have one of these babies. You will need to write down what you want to do, the type of channels that you like to watch and why you like to watch them, what you're good at or what you love to do. Write all of that down and then write down why it is that other people might want to watch you. Would I want to watch me? I thought it would be a good idea to have a channel where I can just share my things with you. Try out new art methods or maybe explain a how-to video or, well, other shenanigans, you know? So if you like drawing, painting, visual arts, photography, music, literature, etc., art, then this might be the channel for you in the future, of course. This is the first video after all. You can also grab a friend if you have them and force them to edit. Hey Pauline.
Yeah?
Come here.
Yeah?
Here you go. There's a laptop. Start editing. It's also okay if you're alone and you want to do everything on your own. I mean, the world is pretty cruel and not everybody has somebody.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
And don't get discouraged. This video literally took me over 9,000 days to make. Please don't stress out before you make your video. Simply go, have fun and do it. Do what you like, do what you love. It's about the personality, what type of content you bring to the table. Try to keep things simple, you know? You don't have to have the best things and the biggest budget to start your videos. The things you do don't have to be perfect. They also don't have to be garbage. So just try to find an okay ground and try to do them OKeily. One of the reasons why it's cool to record your own videos is because if you do this long enough and you are successful, then you can be your own boss, which is pretty cool. Now let me speak to your manager. I am my own manager. So in conclusion, I learned two things from making this video. One was to, well, plan ahead. Your parents were right. A life without planning is a life full of suffering. And second thing I learned was to just do it! Just do it. Go ahead and have fun. I actually hurt my hand with all, like I have all these rings. So next I'm gonna show you guys how I actually designed the logo from scratch. So first what you'll need to do is to gather all of those art supplies that you'll be needing. For example, my logo was made from watercolors, so you're gonna need the watercolors, you're going to need the brushes, you're going to need all of those items that you see here. Psych! If you would like to see how I actually made the logo, well, that's for the next video. I'm still figuring this thing out. This video had no content at all. So, if you like this video and you want to learn more about me and what it is that I do, well, you can follow me on Instagram or maybe on my Facebook, but you don't have to, I mean, I don't care. Alright, that was it, guys. See you in the next video. Bye! Well, this is garbage.